Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to check your Instagram account history for the past month, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the latest method to see exactly what's changed on your Instagram account over the last 30 days. Whether you want to track edits, updates, or just satisfy your curiosity, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to review. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile page, look to the top right corner and tap the menu icon. That's the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. This will open up a list of options for managing your account. From here, tap on Your Activity. This section is where Instagram keeps a record of everything you've done on your account, from posts and comments to changes in your profile details. Next, find and tap on Account History. This is the hub for all the updates and changes you've made to your account, like username switches, bio edits, and more. It's a great way to see how your profile has evolved over time. To narrow things down to just the past month, tap the Filter by Date option at the top of the screen. A calendar will pop up, letting you select a specific time frame. Choose Past Month to see only the changes made within the last 30 days. And that's it. You'll now see a detailed list of all your account activity from the past month, neatly organized and easy to review. This is perfect for keeping track of your digital footprint or just checking in on your recent updates. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on mastering Instagram and other social media platforms. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.